Over the last few months, we have conducted dozens of interviews for developers, designers, marketers, and various technical roles. And we have noticed something interesting. Many candidates are using AI during interviews, practical tests, and even live discussion. Now, before you think this is an anti-AI video, it's not. I use AI every single day. But there's one mistake. Candidates keep making that instantly tells us they are relying on AI without actually understanding the answer. Hi, I am Kahan, founder of DotPitch Technologies. Through our company, we have interviewed many candidates and reviewed numerous practical assignments. AI has completely changed how people prepare for the interviews. And honestly, that's not a bad thing. The problem starts when candidates use AI as a replacement for understanding rather than a tool for learning. For example, one of the easiest way to spot AI assisted answer is during phone interviews. You ask simple question, the candidate pauses for 10 to 15 seconds, then suddenly gives a perfectly structured textbook answer. Sounds impressive, but when you ask a follow-up question, everything falls apart because they memorized or copied the answer but don't actually understand the concept behind it. Real experience usually sounds natural. People explain things in their own words. The same thing happens during practical test also. AI can generate code very quickly. In fact, some AI generated solutions look extremely professional. But when we ask candidates to explain why they wrote a specific function, choose a certain architecture, or handled an edge case in a particular way, many struggle to explain their own solution. That's usually the biggest giveaway. The code works, but the understanding isn't there. So, here's my advice. Use AI, absolutely use it. Use ChatGPT, use Cursor, use Claude, or whatever tools helps you to learn faster. But before an interview or practical test, make sure you can explain every answer in your own words. If AI writes code for you, understand it. If AI helps you prepare answer, personalize them. Because interviews aren't testing whether AI knows the answer, they are testing whether you understand it. AI is becoming part of every profession. The candidates who will succeed aren't the ones who avoid AI. They are the ones who know how to use AI while still developing real skills and real understanding. I would love to hear